Students, welcome to Junaid's NEET IIT classes, and today we are going to discuss about gravitation from NCERT textbook. This is the third and main important topic, that is principle of superposition. So previously we have seen the force between two masses, that is capital M and small m, and now we are going to discuss, in this topic we are going to discuss a multi-mass system, that is n number of masses, how to deal with the n number of masses. So this fixed one mass, that is total force, is the sum of individual forces, that is force between m0 and m1, force between m0 and m2, this is m2, force between m0 and m3, force between m0 and m4, and so on. All the three values, all the values, the same concept, that is the same formula for Newton's law of gravitation, g m0 m1 upon r1 square, g m0 m2 upon r2 square, g m0 m3 upon r3 square, g m0 m4 by r4 square. And if I take g m0 common, m1 by r1 square, m2 by r2 square, m3 by r3 square, m4 by r4 square. So students, this kind of formulas will be applicable to equilateral triangles, square problems, that is numericals based on principle of superposition is mainly a kind of equilateral triangle problems, right angle triangle problems, square problems, diagonal problems, rhombus problems. All these kind of problems will be based on principle of superposition. So for more detailed calculation and numericals, you can download our app from Google Play Store, that is Junaid's NEET and IIT classes, and we'll give you more details there. Calculations, how to do numericals calculation without calculator, will give you this kind of techniques. So till then, wait for our next video. Till then, take very good care of your health and focus on your studies. Goodbye.